And okay, so so I am going to reattempt to create that beginning of the card. So know that it's going to be different pattern papers. No, sorry, it's going to be different pattern paper as the video continues, and it'll be the remainder of the card that I had created, and then I'll show you the second card as well. Let's get to it. Again, I apologize so much about last Saturday's live. I don't know what happened, but all equipments were failing. Okay, let's get started. So this here, I had prepped a lot of things up for the live. This is a 4 1/4 by 11 here, and then I scored it at 5 1/2, 6 3/4, 8 3/4, and then 10. Okay, and we're going to start folding this. Okay, so we're going to fold that towards us. I like to make sure it is a good sealed fold. So I'm going to take my bone folder, and then the next one, same direction. We're going to do that for all the folds, including the other panel. And the last but not least, okay. Oh, by the way, I will be using my favorite Think products, and it is the Birthday Bites stamp set and the Rainbow Love paper pad. I will place all the supplies and links in the description box, as well as a PDF with the measurements. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate it. So it folds in like this, so we're decorating the outside, which is the back. So we're going to unfold it like that. And I'm going to use some pattern paper I have. This one, this 4x1, upside down, 4x1, and it's going to go on the top and that second to last panel. Okay, so go ahead and place this here, center it to the best of my abilities, and we got one more. And we're going to place that second to last. And honestly, I would have did this one first just so that I can make sure it aligns with each other. You'll see in the other video of the continuation of the live, you'll see that I actually used a different size pattern paper, a different type pattern paper, and I matched the colors so that could be a continuation design. And then this is the middle part, and this one is 4 by 1 3/4. And we're going to position it, place it down. All right, and to put this together, what we're going to do is right here, that bottom flap, I'm going to cut it down to 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to go ahead, we're going to add some adhesive. And we're actually going to, on this, with this panel, because we're folding it in, we're actually going to decorate the inside of it first. Go ahead and place that in. Then we'll take that first fold, bring it down, make sure the bottom is, and then we'll make sure that it's well sealed on there. And then that is the first step of the card. All right, at this point, guys, I'm going to let you know This is where the pattern changes. I'm going to switch back to the original card that I was making. I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys how to decorate and put. Let's go. And then we're going to work on the second part. So this is 2 3/4 by 5 5/8. And what we are going to do is the same fold that we did with that one. So we're going to fold forward, forward. And we're just going to make sure it is nicely creased. All right. And this should be done. So here's the first part. It's completed. And for the second part here, we're going to need half. So it's 3 1/4 by 2 1/2. And then this part is going to be 2 1/2 by 1 1/4. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead. We're going to add some adhesive. Stuck to my finger. I wish it really stuck that hard. And then I'm going to center it on here. Let's do the second part. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add glue to that tape because you have witnessed how wonderful this tape is. And I am going to line it with the bottom, but just for it to hit the bottom, and I'm going to try to center it. So we're going to center it from these two sides. We're going to line it with this bottom score line. I'm going to hold this down. And then I'm going to add a little bit here to help hold that down. I'm going to color these off, finish coloring these off camera, die cut them, and then we'll put them together. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and play music from this point on. And you'll see that I will be decorating my card, and I will speed up the second card and play music as well, so I won't be chatting. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like my channel and share with other crafters who would enjoy this as well. I appreciate all the support of my viewers and helping to grow my channel, as well as using our affiliate links. That really helps us as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for those who are new, we are so happy to have you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys at the end.